Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte alternator failure and potential causes behind it. An alternator problem can prevent the battery from charging properly and may trigger warning lights on the dash. Some verified causes include worn-out alternator components or a failing voltage regulator. Loose or corroded battery and alternator connections could also contribute to charging issues. Older Kia Forte models may have alternators that fail sooner under heavy use. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Potential contributing factors might include excessive heat, worn belts, or irregular driving patterns, though these are possibilities and not confirmed for every vehicle. Solutions generally involve inspecting and testing the alternator and related electrical connections. Replacing the alternator is often required if it is confirmed faulty. Some drivers have noticed dimming headlights or slow electrical accessories when the alternator begins to fail, while others may see the battery warning light intermittently. It's important to remember that alternator issues can vary widely between different Kia Forte model years and driving conditions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.